Hey everybody, this is Caroline here coming to you. We're outside today. Why are we outside today? Well, we're going to do a video about a car today, and specifically the FenSens. Now, this is not a paid endorsement. I am not endorsing this product, but I did receive this product for free for the purposes of making this video. Now, what is the FenSens? It is a frame that goes around your license plate, either the front or the back of your car, and instead of having a camera, it is not a camera on your car. It tells you how close you are when you're too close to another object through an app on your smartphone. This is lower priced, I believe, than getting a camera on your car, and it's super easy to install. All you have to do, if you have a frame around your license plate, is all you have to do is you just replace your frame. It's as easy as that. What I'm going to do for you right now is I'm going to do a quick demo of how it works, and then I'm going to go into a full setup and install demo for you today. Let's get started. Alright, so just to demonstrate how this works with a piece of paper is I'm going to launch the FenSens app. Now, it does have notifications, and it is pretty easy to launch right from your phone, because as soon as you get in the car, it will say, hey, would you like to launch FenSens? So right now, there's nothing behind the car, so it's fine. As soon as you get closer to the object, when you can see the sensors, it does notify you that you are getting closer and closer. So I'm pretty close now with my sensors, and this is as close as it wants you to get. So that's pretty close. You're going to be able to back up pretty close to something. Right here it's saying you're good, but then as you get closer, and there are two sensors here, so it kind of tells you, hey, this is about where they want you to be. Let's start with an unboxing here, and there's a nice little handle that this package comes in. So I push down the handle, and then I'm going to push this out right here, and then there's an inner box. And let's open up the inner box right here. What do we have? Yeah, we have the instructions, picture instructions. We're going to scan a QR code. We're going to attach this to our car, and then we're going to use the phone mount. There's a little booklet that just slides right into the back of this. So I think these are probably more detailed instructions. And then there's this layer of foam. Right here we take off the layer of foam, and sure enough, here is everything you need. Let's see, so it says remove this sticker and place lower registration tabs here. And this is the frame. And let's see, there's a little package here. These are 2 AA batteries. This one says tap right here. I believe this is the vent mount here for your phone, and then here is the hardware that we will use to install our frame to our car. And here's a set of nice little Allen wrenches. That's about it for what is in the box. I've installed the batteries right down here on my FenSens sensor. Now we're going to install the app on my phone, so I will start a screen record right now on my phone so you can see everything I'm doing. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my QR code reader, because there is a nice little QR code in these instructions that came with this sensor here. Open the QR code reader and scan my QR code, and there it goes, and takes me to a web link. I'm going to hit the web link here, and it takes me to the FenSens.com website. And from the website, and I'm going to hit the menu button in the top right hand corner here, and I'm going to select Android, since that's the kind of phone I have. If you have an iOS phone, then select iOS, and it takes me right to the Google Play Store and the FenSens Smart Wireless Parking Sensor app. I'm going to hit install, and then I'll hit open, and here comes the FenSens app. And I will allow photos and media. I will allow it to record audio, grant access, location access, okay, allow. And now, I've already created an account because I've already done this project. But if you haven't already created an account, it's pretty self-explanatory. It'll walk you right through it like this, and then you'll receive an email. Let me show you the email real fast. You will need to verify your email by clicking on the link that you receive. So it's pretty easy to create an account. I'm going to back out of this, and I'm going to log in, and I'm in. So I'm in the home screen right now. On the bottom left of the home screen, there is a sensor right here. I'm going to touch that, and I'm going to acknowledge FenSens is not a replacement for safe driving, and I will not rely on FenSens in evaluating my vehicle's surroundings. I'm going to hit agree. And then it says, please configure your FenSens. I'm going to say, okay. And I've got it right here.
and it's going to walk me through this. I'm going to hit get started. So I'm going to say, I'm going to install it on the back of my vehicle. I've selected back. I'm going to hit next. Then you're supposed to install it on your car. I'm going to hit next, and then tell them the clearance from my FenSens to the edge of my car in inches. I'm going to hit select 5 for now, and then it's going to start looking for my FenSens. Let's see if this works. Oh, and sure enough, it works. And here's my FenSens. It is a Bluetooth connection from my phone between the phone and the FenSens. It is connecting now. And here it is. All right, so let's see if this works here. And I'll use this to see how close or far something is away. And it kind of beeps at you when you get a little too close. And when you get further away, it kind of stops. And that's how the FenSens works. It's simply a sensor from here to tell you when you're a little too close. I've got the FenSens license plate frame now on the back of my car, and when I started this process there was these little tiny screws that held my license plate on. I took those off with a regular Phillips head screwdriver. The FenSens comes with its own longer screws like this, and then it comes with a special tool for you to screw on the FenSens onto your license plate. So now I'm going to do a little screen record for you to show you how to set this up. So I'm in the app right now. I'm going to hit the gear button here for settings. So then I'm going to select settings, and I'm going to hit clearance here. It is in the back, so I'm going to select back, and then I need to measure the distance from the sensor, which is right here, to the edge of my car. So I'm going to do that right now. Let's see. So I would say 3 inches from this sensor to the back of my car. So I'm going to hit clearance 3. I'm going to hit next, and then I'm going to go back to the device here. All right, I'm backing up my car with my FenSens sensor here. Let's see. And there, okay. And it says I'm pretty close. I'm going to back it up just a little bit more and see if I can get the sensor to go off. There it goes. Okay, I'm getting closer and closer and closer. All right, I think I'm close enough now. I tested this out yesterday. I used it twice while I was parking yesterday. It worked great, no problem. So anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna keep on using this product, and so thank you, FenSens, for sending this to me. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.